Hey guys, so you've seen my rabbit hutch here. These are the babies. They have lots to eat. They have shade, food, water, but they're out there in the middle of my backyard. Some people would rather have their livestock be a little more incognito for whatever reason. Maybe you live in the city and you don't want the neighbors to know that you have farm animals. So if that is the case, I want to show you where, when we first got meat rabbits, we kept them. And this is the food forest. You'll see quite a bit of it. We are in a construction zone because we are setting the house up to sell or rent or Airbnb. So you're going to see a lot of lumber and stuff. But I wanted to show you where we kept the meat rabbits in the beginning. This is the space. Come under a little more. This is the space under the deck where we have a cool breeze that comes through. It's quite shaded. We can see them from this window. And we don't use the deck much. The deck gets really, really hot in the summertime, and it has a tendency to harbor yellow jackets, so we have to come under and eliminate yellow jackets a lot, but they don't bother the rabbits. And it's very low to the ground, so it's easy for kids to come under and do chores. It keeps them cool. And what we do, because there are slats, is that we run plastic over the top, the back, and the sides. Not the bottom, because you want the things to fall through the bottom. You want poop to fall through the bottom. But that's how we keep them in the summer months, so that if it does rain, they're not getting rained on, and it's not a big deal to add the plastic. And then in the winter months, I like to keep them in the greenhouse. And because they're in these nice wire cages, we just pop them. I have these little hooks like this that we hang them from. We just pop them off the hooks, and then we take them out to the hotbed in the greenhouse. And that way we can still have baby rabbits in the winter when it's super cold, because they're so well protected by the greenhouse. And this cage right here is one of the shallower cages. It's from Hare. They're the company that we affiliate for our rabbit hutches because we really, really like them. They're very high quality. And this is the bottom. The wire on the bottom is much thicker, much better. So I need to flip this to make sure I've got it on the right spot. But this cage is shallow compared to the one that I had out in the front, because this one you could use as a grow out cage, or you could use it for quail. They're less expensive because they're shorter, they take less material. But I am going to be hanging cages all the way along this wall, and then we could lay them all across that wall too, so we could have quite the colony of rabbits without anybody knowing they're here, because they don't make any noise. And then all you do is you put boxes underneath the cages to catch their manure, so you can get it out and put it in the garden. And it's just a very good setup. The only thing is you want to make sure to use that plastic, and you want that plastic to go from the top in the back to the bottom to protect your wood, because rabbits do pee, and the bucks can spray pee, and so you don't want your wood to be covered in rabbit pee. It's not good for the wood. So that is the one exception. But it works really well. It's super cool under here, and it means nobody can see what's happening. And it just adds that one more dimension to your homestead that makes it easy. You don't have to build a new barn. You don't have to put more money into another structure. You don't have to find another spot for it. It's just already here. So hopefully that was helpful. Make sure to go check out Hare with the link in the description. If you don't use the link in the description, then it doesn't support our channel. So please make sure to use that link. He has a lot of recipes in his blog over there. He's a really great guy, Nick Klein. And make sure to let him know that we sent you. And thanks for checking in.